Okay, so in this video what we're looking for is to find the solution to this question here in Cartesian form. So let's write this down in Cartesian form. So, reciprocal of 1 minus I to the power of 4. How are we going to work that out? So, first place to start with 1 minus I squared, and then we can square that again. So 1 minus I, 1 minus I. That's the same as 1 minus I squared. So let's FOIL that out. So we get 1 squared minus I times 1 and a minus I times 1 here. That's minus 2I. And then minus I times minus I. So just got to be a little bit careful with this one. So I squared we know is minus 1. That's standard in complex analysis. And then 2 minuses make a plus. So basically we've got minus 1 times minus minus, which will leave us with minus 1. Okay, so let's work this out. This one and this one cancel out. So then we're left with minus 2i. But now we want minus I to the power of 4. So all we do now is take this one, square it. That's going to be the same as that. So now let's square minus 2i. So let's take minus 2i and square it. Minus 2i, minus 2i. Okay, minus 2 times minus 2 we know is 4. 2 minuses is a plus. And again here we have to be a little bit careful. The I squared is minus 1. That's this identity here that we know. So basically this equals minus 4. But well, we need to find the reciprocal of this. So basically it's just 1 over minus 4, basically minus 1 over 4. Okay, that's our answer.